Here we go. We're with the dude and Litzy. Dude's first canoe ride. So far, very good. Take us a little closer to shore here. What do you think, dude? It's good. You stay. Good dog. We'll go and land up here, and then you can jump out and run around for a while. We'll throw some sticks for you. Good boy. Beautiful Devil's Lake. Going along the west side of the lake. It's a beautiful thing, isn't it, dude? It's good. You're sitting over center now. That's good, dude. You're doing a good job. There's some people up on the shoreline. Good boy. Good boy, Duty. Good boy, Duty. Nice day.